Adobe Premiere Pro now includes built-in tools for translating captions. To start the translation process, Premiere will need a transcription to work with, so we'll start by opening the text panel from the window menu and adding our clip to the timeline and choosing transcribe. Next, we'll click on the Captions tab to create the captions from the transcription. We'll select Subtitle Default from the Captions preset and also select Single Lines and then Create Captions. Once the captions is complete, we'll click on the three dots and select Translate Captions. We'll select a target language or languages. In this example, we'll select French. And once again, we'll select single lines in the advanced options and finally click on Translate. When the process finishes, new caption tracks will appear in your timeline for each selected language. To view each caption set, use the eye icon to toggle the track's visibility on or off. To customize the appearance of the captions, we'll use the Single Track Select tool to select all the captions and bring up the Properties panel from the Windows menu and make any edits as we please. In this example, we will change the font and add a background to the captions to make them stand out more clearly.